I want to show you several entirely free programs that you can start using right now to create your very own YouTube videos. This entire video is made using only these programs. I will show you what I use to create my videos, and you can use them too, absolutely free. The programs are not in any particular order. But stay towards the end, you don't want to miss the last one on the list. I think it's a game changer. Before we start with the list, I do want to say that the only requirement you need to get started is to have a computer of some kind. You don't need an absolute powerhouse or a top-of-the-line machine for these programs. Anything built within the last couple of years should work. With that out of the way, let's start. First up is ShotCut. ShotCut is the program I use to edit all of my videos. It is completely free to download, works on Windows, Macs, and Linux machines, and has been fairly easy to use. I started as a complete beginner, watched a couple how-to videos online, and just started creating. You can drag and drop multiple video and audio files into the program, do some preliminary editing, and then start placing them into your timeline. Once in the timeline, you can edit videos further by rotating, zooming in or out, and creating transitions between shots. Next free program is OBS Studio. Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS Studio, is a full broadcasting package that is entirely free. I mostly use this program for screen captures and some voiceovers. But it can do so much more. If you are wanting to get into streaming, you might want to take a look at OBS Studio, as it seems to have everything you would need in one package. Just like ShotCut, it is available on Windows, Macs, and Linux. Honestly, you can configure so many different parts of this program that it might seem a bit overwhelming at first. But once you take some time and just start playing with the software, things will start to make sense pretty quickly. If you want to connect your smartphone to OBS Studio as a camera, look into an additional program called OBS Ninja. It connects your phone's camera to OBS through an online website that seemed to have very little latency for me. But that may depend on factors like your internet connection. Next up is Pexels.com. Pexels offers free stock photo and video clips that you can use in your videos. Many are available in 1080p or even 4K formats. Pexels is a great site to find B-roll images to enhance topics on your videos. From Pexels' own website, it states, "All photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or Pexels is not necessary but always appreciated. You can modify the photos and videos from Pexels. Be creative and edit them as you like. There are restrictions on using images from this site. They are: identifiable people may not appear in a bad light or in a way that is offensive. Don't sell unaltered copies of a photo or video. Examples are like as a poster, print, or on a physical product without modifying it first. Don't imply endorsement of your product by people or brands on the imagery. Don't redistribute or sell the photos and videos on other stock photo or wallpaper platforms." So basically, don't try to take anything off this site and say it is yours. As long as you edit them in some way, such as cutting them down or adding them into a scene with other videos, most are free to use. To verify, just look for the free-to-use image usually found under the video clip or photo. Would you like some background music for your videos? There are two free sites available to choose from. The first is the YouTube Studio. Anyone that wants to start creating YouTube videos has access to many music options from their YouTube Studio. As of this video, there are over 1,300 different song choices and a wide variety of musical styles. And it seems YouTube is adding to the listing frequently. Most of the songs are completely free to use, but there are some that require you to credit the artist in some way during your video. Next music site is Bensound.com. Bensound has some decent song tracks that you can use for free in YouTube videos, but you must give them credit for the song. That can be something simple as a link in the description or on-screen text stating the song is from Bensound.com. There are not as many options as YouTube Studio, but there are some that I have found useful for background music to play behind your main audio track. Bensound has recently updated the look of their site to make searching for a style of song much easier than previously. Next free program, Canva. You probably have heard of Canva before. It is an online graphic design tool that is suggested by many YouTubers. Yes, there is a paid version, but the free account still offers a lot of options you can use for your videos. You can create custom intros, outros, and on-screen graphics to use throughout your videos. Add some text to a video background to create a more watchable transition. There are so many things you can create with Canva that I would need another video just to explain everything. Before I get to my final free video creation program, I just want to ask that if you are finding this video useful, hit that like button or even that subscribe button for more content like this. Also, if you are creating your own videos, what programs do you use that you feel others should try out? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. Last on my list is ClipChamp. Wait, you already have 2 other video editing programs listed. Why would you list a third one? ClipChamp is a video editor that is available completely online for those that have a computer having difficulty running the other programs. It has some creative pre-made YouTube intro and outro videos you can easily modify to use. But my favorite is it has a very impressive text-to-speech option. Simply create a new video. Go to Record and Create, and select Text-to-Speech. There are various voice options available to choose from. Some do sound more robotic than others. My favorite to use is Davis, since it is what you are currently listening to. Everything narrated on this video has been made with this text-to-speech voice. If you are just starting out and concerned about your voice, or speaking in front of a camera, try making a video with one of the text-to-speech voices. I told you in the beginning I would create an entire video using only the software listed in this video. The narration was done with ClipChamp. The footage was either screen captured with OBS Studio or is stock from Pexels. All the on-screen graphics were created from Canva. The background music has been from both YouTube Studio and Bensound. And everything has been edited together using ShotCut. Don't let your fear stop you. If you have a story to tell the world, do it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you would like more videos like this or would like me to expand into the listed programs even more, let me know in the comments below.